Getting started. 1. Listen and read.
Unit 11. Our Greener World.
Page 48. Getting started. Activity 1. Listen and read.
Hi, Nick.
Hello, me.
You've bought a lot of things.
Yes. We're going on a picnic tomorrow. What are you doing at the supermarket, me?
I am buying a loaf of bread. Hey, what's this?
It's a reusable shopping bag.
Do you always use it?
Yes, I do. It's better than a plastic one because it's made of natural materials. If we all use this kind of bag, we'll help the environment.
I see. I'll buy a bag for my mum. Where can I buy it?
They sell a lot of these bags at the checkout.
Thanks. Are they expensive?
Not at all. By the way, you're also green. You're cycling.
You're right. If more people cycle, there will be less air pollution, right?
Yes. Oh, look, it's 5 o'clock already. I have to go now. We have a lot to prepare for the picnic. See you later.
See you, Nick. Have a nice time tomorrow. Bye.
Three. Now listen, check and repeat the answers.
Unit 11. Page 49. Getting started. Activity 3. Now listen, check, and repeat the answers.
1. Soil pollution. 2. Deforestation. 3. Water pollution. 4. Noise pollution. 5. Air pollution.